What do you need? What do you need? Well, I guess you're not going to get any toilet paper. Do you want this? Huh? Hello, toilet paper delivery service. Hello? We have an order? A roll? Yeah? Can we help you? Alright. It's right here.
You can't